Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, ladies and gentlemen. After completing Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai Rahmatullah Alayhi, Shah Latif Sarkar cannot be completed in 4 or 5 classes. He is the poet of universal appeal, universal application. Even someone starts teaching Shah Latif, I would be the first to seek admission in his academy. If a professor, if a writer starts teaching a course on Shah Latif, even the course is 1 year long, 6 months long, I will be the first student to seek admission in his academy because I want to learn and improve. After Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai Rahmatullah Alayhi, Hazrat Sachal Sarmast is part of our syllabus. Hazrat Sachal Sarmast Rahmatullah Alayhi was born in 1739 and died in 1829. 1730 and 1829, this is the period that is covered by Hazrat Sachal Sarmast Rahmatullah Alayhi's time. Hazrat Sachal Sarmast Rahmatullah Alayhi has close affiliation with Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Because of Hazrat Umar Farooq, he is known as Farooqi. And we all know that Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu was a famous caliph of Islamic kingdom, of Islamic life. He exercised his powers. He worked for the betterment of society and humanity in general. His personality, character, knowledge, and management are appreciated. A man from his family, Sheikh Shohabuddin, हाँ उन दौर में अरबुस्तान का काफ़ी माण्हू सिंध में आया. Many people traveled from Arabistan, Saudi Arabistan to Hind and Sindh. We are talking about 18th century, 1739, and before this period even. Sheikh Shohabuddin, a person from Hazrat Umar Farooq's family, was appointed governor of Sevan. He was appointed as governor of Sevan Sharif. He had 2 sons. After his death, they continued his legacy and progressed. After some time, some years, some decades, some months, evil days fell upon them. उन्हनि जी जेका है मुसीबतूं तकलीफ़ूं परेशानियूं जेका उन जेको विरसो हुयो बादशाह हुकूमत उहो होरिया ख़तम थी वियो. एंड दे माइग्रेटेड फ्रॉम सेवन टू खुदाबाद, देन थर, लेटर ऑन खैरपुर मीर्स. At that time, Mir Sorab Khan Talpur was in Khairpur, and he granted an estate, Jagir, to them. As far as Sachal Sarmast Rahmatullah Alayhi is concerned, his original name, his real name was Abdul Wahab, and Sachal Sarmast was his pen name, Takhalus, or Kalmi Nalu. He was named after his great grandfather. Due to his extraordinary truthfulness, he was called Sachu or Sachal, which means the one who speaks nothing but the truth. Sachar, Sachu Galaindar. And sometimes he was also called Sache Dino, which means gifted by the divinity. He was also called Hafiz Darazi. Listen, Hafiz Darazi, there are 2 words, Hafiz and Darazi. Hafiz Shirazi was a great renowned poet of Persian language. Clear? Hafiz. He was Hafiz Shirazi, and Sachal Sai is called Hafiz Darazi. Darazi because of Daraza. Clear? There are 3 reasons why is he called Hafiz Darazi. Number 1 reason, he memorized the Holy Quran. He memorized the Holy Quran. Second, he composed a vast number of poems in Persian language. Why is he called Hafiz Darazi? Number 1, he memorized the Holy Quran. Number 1 point. Second, he wrote, he penned, he authored a vast number of poems in Persian language. Third reason, he loved his native place more than any other holy city in the world. Sachal Sai खे हाफ़िज़ दराज़ी 2 शयुनि जे करे चयो वेंदो आहे. पहिरियों त हाफ़िज़ शिराज़ी किथे आहे? ईरान में. हीअ हाफ़िज़ दराज़ी किथे आहे? सिंध में. ख़ैर कोन्हे. वाए हाफ़िज़ नंबर 1 क़ुरान पाक हिफ़्ज़ कयईं. सेकेंड, फ़ारसी ॿोलीअ में तमामु घणा नज़्म लिखियईं, घणी शाइरी कयईं. नंबर 3 त सचल साईं पंहिंजे इलाइक़े खां ॿाहिरि तमामु घटि निकितो, सॼो अरसो पंहिंजे उन इलाइक़े में रहियो ऐं पंहिंजे इलाइक़े खां ख़ूबसूरत वधीक मोहबत कंदो. क्लियर? The same had previously been done by Hafiz Shirazi, so he was called Hafiz Darazi in comparison with the later one. His most popular name was Sachal, that ends with sarmast, which means a man intoxicated by the divine love. एड़ो माण्हू जेको वहदानियत अल्लाह जे मोहब्बतुनि सां सरशार हुजे, सरमस्त हुजे. He was very sober by nature and always preferred solitude. Sachal Sai never wished or desired to be the part of gatherings, crowds, functions, events. He preferred solitude. He was very sober by nature and always preferred solitude. He liked to be alone. Sachal Sai कहंदो मां अकेलो हुजां, ख़ामोशी हुजांसि. He liked to be alone, to converse and commune with the divine. अल्लाह जा बुज़ुर्ग हूंदा आहिनि, पंहिंजो पाण खे अकेले में ख़िलवत में रखंदा आहिनि. सचल साईं सेस, जिते माण्हुनि मेड़ उते आऊं न आहियां. जिते माण्हुनि मेड़ उते आऊं न आहियां. Where the crowds, there I never aspire. This is again, Sachal Sai memorized the Quran. He was Hafiz. He led a completely religious life. Religion, humanity was his top priority. And he selected, he picked, he chose, he obtained the mode of poetry to express his inner feelings publicly. It is believed that poetry emanated from his soul when he himself was in a state of trance and absolutely self-oblivious. ॿुधो ॻाल्हि. चए थो सचल साईं जे शाइरी रूह मां फुटी निकिरंदी हुई. जॾहिं वजद में अची वेंदो ऐं पंहिंजो पाण खे भुलाए छॾींदो हुयो. सचल साईं सेड अनल हक़, मां हक़ आहियां, मां अल्लाह आहियां. Clear? He uttered, he exclaimed. खोड़ा जे भरिसां मखदूम आहिनि, उहे ॾाढा मज़हबी क़िस्म जे हवाले सां ॾाढो एक्टिव आहिनि. Listen. They severely objected. They came and they brought swords, तलवारूं खणी आया. सचल साईं खे चवनि त तव्हां कुफ्र था कयो. उन चयो बाबा मूंखे त ख़बर ई कान्हे का मां छा थो चवां. जॾहिं अहिड़ी ॻाल्हि ॾिसतो मूंखे क़तलु करे छॾियो, दैट्स ऑल. When he was in trance, when he was in Vajad, Sachal Sai uttered the same thing. They brought swords and tried to kill Sachal Sai. Many times, several times they killed, but the result was zero. He was not killed. Later on, they apologized. They understood that there is the divine behind him. So Sachal Sai loved poetry. Moreover, music was his inspiration. Music was his inspiration. When sarangi and tabla were played in unison, tears used to stream from his eyes and his hair used to stand on end. सारंगी हिकिड़ो म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट आहे, साज़ आहे हिकिड़े क़िस्म जो. जॾहिं तबलो ऐं सारंगी गॾु वॼंदा हुया, अहिड़ो रिधम पैदा थींदो, अहिड़ी मौसीक़ी पैदा थींदी हुई, जंहिंजे करे सचल साईं जी अखियुनि मां पाणी वहणु शुरू थियो ऐं हिन जा वार कंडारजी वेंदा हुआ. म्यूज़िक वॉज हिज इंस्पिरेशन. Clear? Now, music was on, sarangi and tabla were played in unison, and poetry flowed from his mind and heart continuously. Poetry then flowed from his lips like limpid rain water. शाइरी हिन जे ज़बान मां ईअं फुटी निकिरंदी जीअं फ्रेश मींहं जा फुड़ा किरंदा आहिनि. ठीकु आहे. Poetry then flowed from his lips like limpid rain water and his amanuensis. No, लफ़्ज़ ॿुधायां थो छा ई माना आहे. Let me explain the point first. Poetry then flowed from his lips like limpid rain water and his amanuensis piled for their pains to collect the pearls from his divine utterances. अच्छा. AMANUENSIS. 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 Listen. छा आहे माना हिन जी? तव्हांखे धकु लॻी वञे या तव्हां बीमार हुजो, तव्हांजी सिहत ख़राबु हुजे, कोई इम्तिहान तव्हांखे ॾियणो हुजे ऐं पाण सां गॾु हिकिड़ो राइटर वठी अचो, ॿुधाईंदा, तव्हां वञो लिखंदो हो वञे. दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट वर्ड. Sachal Sai never wrote with his pen. He uttered, people penned it down. Clear? He just uttered. Once upon a time, a dervish, fakir, Muhkumuddin came to Daraza. The dervish in his wanderings once chanced to arrive in the vicinity, aspas ilaiko. The dervish in his wanderings once chanced to arrive in the vicinity of Daraza Sharif, and Sachal was directed by his preceptor and uncle Abdul Haq to extend a reverential welcome. ॿुधो, हिकिड़ो दरवेश बुज़ुर्ग अल्लाह वारो इंसान दराज़ा में आयो. सचल साईं खे पंहिंजे चाचे ख्वाजा अब्दुल हक चयो त वञो इन जी भरपूर तरीक़े सां आजियां कयो ऐं हुनखे अलाह जो हुकुम. उते वियो. उन माण्हू जेको सारंगी आहे, जेको वॼाइबो आहे, उहा साईं जे सीने ते रखी. हिकु दफ़ो सचल साईं वटि मुस्लमान आया ऐं चइनि साईं असां फलाणे दीवान खे मुस्लमान कयो. उन्हनि सोचियो त सचल साईं ख़ुशि थींदो. सचल साईं चयो बाबा कंहिं मुस्लमान खे मोमिन कयो अथव. सो दे ऑलवेज प्रीच्ड अबाउट लव, म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट. तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे त कवाली वजूद में छो आई? वाई द कवाली वॉज इन्वेंटेड? ख़बर आहे तव्हां? डू यू नो? पुराणे दौर में जेके दीवान आहिनि, चंदनलाल वेठो आहे, उहे पंहिंजे इबादत गाहुनि में, मंदरनि में म्यूज़िक कराईंदा हुआ, भॼन जेके तुंहिंजा. पोइ इलाही परे परे जा माण्हू वञी अट्रैक्ट थींदा हुआ. सूफ़ी बुज़ुर्गनि सोचियो त हीअ मंदरनि में कराइनि था, असां छो न पब्लिकली करायूं, वॾे ग्राउंड में करायूं जिते हर क़िस्म जा माण्हू अचनि। ऐं उन्हनि सोचियो त अहिड़ी क़िस्म जी मौसीक़ी हुजे जेका माण्हू खे अलाह सां कनेक्ट करे। एंड दे projected Qawwali, and a large number of people came to listen to it, and they enjoyed and they learned the message of Islam. When Abda Parveen goes foreign, अंग्रेज़ हुनजी म्यूज़िक ॿुधंदा आहिनि, सिंधी उन्हनि खे सम्झ में न ईंदी आहे, उर्दू उन्हनि खे सम्झ में न ईंदी आहे। अब्दा डज़ नॉट सिंग इन इंग्लिश। और अमजद साबरी, when he went outside, he sang Bhardo Joli Meri Ya Muhammad or other Qawwalis. He continued singing. People enjoyed. They relaxed themselves. केतिरा ई माण्हू अब्दा परवीन ऐं इन जे करे जेको आहे मुस्लमान थी विया ॻाइण जे करे। So Sachal Sarmast was a Sufi saint. Shah Latif and Sachal Sarmast have some similarities. Sachal Sai, when he was 7 years old, Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai Rahmatullah Alayhi visited Darwaza Sharif. Clear? When Sachal was introduced to Shah Latif, Shah Latif Rahmatullah Alayhi replied, Sachal saying, listen, they Shah Latif Chacho, Angrezi, Hussein Tarjuma. This God gifted child will one day uncover those divine secrets which I have still kept concealed. समझो क्या लगे? This God gifted child will one day uncover those divine secrets which I have still kept concealed. Simple meaning में असां जेको कुनो चढ़ियो उन जो ढकणो ही निंगर लाहींदो, माना अल्लाह जा राज़ जेके असां लिकाए रखिया आहिनि पब्लिकली माण्हुनि खे ही ॿुधाईंदो, असांजे दर्स खे अॻिते वधाईंदो। This prediction came true, and Sachal Sai continued. What are the similarities between Shah Latif and Sachal? There are many similarities. Number one, Sachal was bold and expressed things openly. ठीक है? Sachal was so bold that he revealed divine secrets openly and publicly. While Shah Latif declares the divinity of man allegorically, Sachal calls him God categorically. Sachal साईं पंहिंजो पाण खे चए थो मां ख़ुदा आहियां न लख, पब्लिकली चए थो। शाह साईं किथे बि इहा ॻाल्हि नथो करे। Shah Latif never says this. Shah Latif respects Shariat. Sachal Sain deems himself above it. Shah Latif respects Sharia. Sachal Sain deems himself above it. Sachal, unlike Shah Latif, was a learned scholar. Sachal Sain तमाम वॾो पढ़ियल लिखियल माण्हू, दानिश्वर क़िस्म जो माण्हू। He achieved mastery over Persian and Arabic, and like Hafiz Shirazi, he committed the Holy Quran to memory. Hafiz, Shah Latif was not a Hafiz. Shah Latif was not a Hafiz. Sachal Sai was Hafiz. Shah Latif applied only two forms of poetry, that is Vai and Beth. Sachal Sai instead wrote Kafi, Beth, Dohida, and other forms of poetry. Sachal Sai gave a variety of genres in his poetry. Sachal Sai जी शायरी शाह लतीफ़ खां वधीक ॻाई वई आहे। सचल साईं ओपनली सेज, को कीअं चवे आउं जो ई आहियां सो ई आहियां। लेट पीपल गिव टाइटल्स टू मी, आई एम वट आई एक्सप्रेस। को मोमिन चवे, को काफ़र चवे, को जाहिल नालो ज़ाहिर चवे, को मोमिन चवे, को काफ़िर चवे, को जाहिल नालो ज़ाहिर चवे, को साहिर चवे, को शाइर चवे, आउं जोई आहियां सोई आहियां। को पंथ चवे, को संत चवे, को बाग बहार बसंत चवे। असांजे लाइ हिकिड़ो ॾस आहे। को पंथ चवे, को संत चवे, को बाग बहार बसंत चवे, को मीरासी कलवंत चवे, आउं जोई आहियां सोई आहियां। को मुला चवे, को काज़ी चवे, को मुफ्ती चवे, को गाज़ी चवे। को मुला चवे, को काज़ी चवे, को मुफ्ती चवे, को गाज़ी चवे, को रोज़ादार नमाज़ी चवे, आउं जोई आहियां सोई आहियां। को सूरत में इंसान चवे, को शिर भरियो शैतान चवे। को सूरत में इंसान चवे, कोई शिर भरियो शैतान चवे, को बुज़ुर्ग को मस्तान चवे, आउं जोई आहियां सोई आहियां। को रंग कोई बेरंग चवे, को मस्तो मस्त मलंग चवे। को रंग कोई बेरंग चवे, को मस्तो मस्त मलंग चवे, को नंगी को बेनंग चवे, आउं जोई आहियां सोई आहियां। को ख़ास चवे, को आम चवे, को पुख्तो चवे, को ख़ाम चवे। को ख़ास चवे, को आम चवे, आम ते नज़र हुजे, इनखे इंटरनल राहिम चइबो आहे। को ख़ास चवे, को आम चवे, को पुख्तो चवे, को ख़ाम चवे, आम ऐं ख़ाम। को ख़ास चवे, को आम चवे, को पुख्तो चवे, को ख़ाम चवे, को सचो नाम चवे, को सचो नाम चवे, आउं जोई आहियां सोई आहियां। को सचो नाम चवे, लाइक दिस। नाउ शाह अब्दुल लतीफ़ भिठाई रहमतुल्लाह अलैह didn't express such poetic thought, or he says, जंहिं दिल पीता इश्क ता जाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम, पंतन पाक हिमायत मेरी हसन हुसैन इमाम। और मैं यार दी घड़ोली भर दी। He completely stood against the traditions, norms of society that promoted evil and calamities. He wanted people to come towards Islam and humanity. If you visit Sachal Science Shrine, there are many people who come to pay respect to Sachal from Dubai, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and they are even non-Muslims too. Non-Muslims भी ईंदा आहिनि। सचल साईं सां हिकिड़ी औरत हुई, ॾाढो प्यारु कंदी हुई साईं जे रहलत खां पोइ, हुन शाइरी समूह सां। हुनजा माइट हलिया विया इंडिया, हू न वई, हुननि चयो। ऐं उहा औरत पंहिंजो पाण खे निमाणो फ़क़ीर जे नाले सां मर्द सॾाए करे हिते रहंदी हुई। सचल साईं सां एॾी हुनजी निस्बत हुई, जॾहिं फोत थी वई त हुनखे उते दरगाह ते दफ़न कयो। सचल साईं's legacy is for everybody, for all people. So inshallah ta'ala, tomorrow we will be discussing another class.